Welcome to Garden Makeover Ideas for Small Spaces and Dream Backyards. Use vertical planters or wall gardens to grow herbs and flowers. Try hanging pots or shelves to save ground space. Choose compact furniture like foldable chairs and tables. Use mirrors to make the garden feel bigger. Add fairy lights or lanterns for a cozy glow at night. Pick colorful plants to brighten up the area. Use gravel, stepping stones, or wood decking to define paths. Try raised beds or containers for easy gardening. Use old crates or pallets as plant stands. Install a small water feature like a fountain for a relaxing sound. Grow climbing plants like ivy or jasmine to cover walls or fences. Paint walls or fences in light colors to reflect more light. Add a mini greenhouse for growing veggies all year round. For dream backyard designs, create zones like a lounge area and a dining area. Build a pergola or gazebo for shade and style. Plant trees or tall shrubs for privacy. Add a fire pit for warmth and evening gatherings. Build a tiny raised deck for outdoor meals or morning coffee. Use bamboo screens or tall plants for natural privacy. Create a mini flower wall using shoe organizers or old shelves. Use a bench with storage to save space and hide tools. Add garden statues, wind chimes, or bird feeders for charm. Lay colorful tiles or paint old bricks for a DIY patio floor. Mix different textures like wood, stone, and greenery. Grow vegetables like tomatoes or lettuce in small containers. Hang string lights across your garden to make it feel like a cafe. Use old ladders to display pots and hanging plants. Create a tiny reading nook with a soft chair and umbrella. Build a small trellis for climbing roses or beans. Paint your garden fence with fun patterns or soft pastels. Use mulch or bark to keep weeds away and add style. Place a small outdoor rug under your furniture to define the space. Add a tiny outdoor bar or drink cart for summer fun. Use fold-down tables on the wall to save even more space. Grow mint, basil, or parsley in cute tin cans or mason jars. Place a small table and 2 chairs for a cozy cafe feel. Line your garden border with pebbles, lights, or mini fences. Use hanging lanterns or jars with candles for evening glow. Turn an old drawer into a layered planter. Use stockable pots to save floor space. Add a garden mirror to reflect light and greenery. Make a bug hotel or bee house to support nature. Lay out a zigzag or curved path to make the space feel longer. Create a Zen corner with stones, sand, and a tiny Buddha statue. Use old teacups or mugs as flower pots for charm. Add wind spinners or small pinwheels for movement. Put cushions on wooden crates to make garden seats. Use clear plastic bins as mini greenhouses. Add a chalkboard wall for garden notes or plant names. Make a vertical strawberry or lettuce tower using PVC pipes. Use waterproof fairy lights in plant pots for magic at night. Build a simple garden arch with lights or flowers. Hang curtains or fabric panels for soft shade and style. Turn a wooden pallet into a vertical garden wall. Use a wine rack to hold small plant pots. Create a scent garden with lavender, rosemary, and lemon balm. Add a DIY birdhouse for charm and bird song. Use string or rope to hang planters at different heights. Build a mini fire bowl using a terracotta pot and fire gel. Lay artificial turf on a balcony or patio for a soft green look. Hang old window frames as garden art. Use colorful buckets as flower pots. Install a tiny raised pond with water lilies. Make a garden clock using numbers and small plants. Use a mirror window frame to create the illusion of more space. Add glow-in-the-dark paint to stones or pot edges. Use stacked crates for storage and decoration. Create a mini cactus or succulent corner. Build a foldable outdoor workstation for potting plants. Add a DIY canopy using a bedsheet or tarp for shade. Use bricks or stones to edge flower beds or veggie. Make a mini rock garden with different stone shapes and sizes. Decorate with garden gnomes, mini fairies, or animal statues. Grow chili peppers or cherry tomatoes in hanging baskets. Attach planter boxes to balcony railings for extra space. Use a large outdoor clock as a statement wall piece. Place a mirror behind plants to make the greenery look fuller. Add a swing bench under a shady tree for a relaxing spot. Use a garden trellis to divide areas and grow vines. Place lemon or citronella plants to keep mosquitoes away. Set up a mini outdoor movie area with a sheet and projector. Use old watering cans as rustic-style flower pots. Add a chalkboard sign for garden quotes or plant names. Fill clear jars with stones, seashells, or beads for decoration. Hang beads or wind curtains for a playful touch. Use a coat rack or towel holder to hang tools and gloves. Build a low table from old pallets for garden tea time. Plant lavender or chamomile near seating for a calming smell. Hang a plant chandelier made of metal rings and small pots. Use a clear umbrella as a mini greenhouse for seedlings. Make a portable garden using a rolling cart with potted plants. Decorate with garden-themed signs like "Welcome" or "Grow." Hang up an outdoor-friendly clock or thermometer. Make a vertical veggie wall with small wooden boxes. Use stockable plastic drawers for storing garden supplies. Install a small fountain using a ceramic pot and pump. Use rope and buckets to make a rustic pulley planter system. Grow peas or beans up a simple bamboo teepee. Make a candle-lit pathway using glass jars and sand. Place a mirror behind your seating area to double the view. Grow trailing plants like string of pearls or creeping jenny. Use watering globs to keep your plants hydrated. Hang kitchen herbs in labeled jars near your door. Build a tiny garden library with a weather-safe box and books. Add a mini chalkboard menu if you're growing fruits and veggies. Use wooden crates stacked sideways as shelves for plants. Add a bamboo water spout for a calming sound. Use an old ladder as a plant display stand. Create a garden path using old CDs or tiles. Decorate plant pots with paint, stickers, or rope. Make a mini Zen garden in a tray with sand and stones. Use hanging baskets for strawberries or herbs. Add a corner trellis for vertical greenery. Make a DIY bug-repelling candle with essential oils. Use chalk paint on pots to label your plants. Place a colorful umbrella for shade in a pop of color. Create a table centerpiece using succulents and rocks. Hang tiny lights on tree branches for sparkle. Use a bucket as a rustic side table or planter. Create a mosaic stepping stone from broken tiles. Use driftwood or branches for natural art pieces. Grow mushrooms or microgreens in a shaded corner. Add a garden ladder arch with climbing plants. Install a mini mirror wall behind potted plants. Wrap string lights around poles or fences. Turn an old chair into a flower display by removing the seat. Wrap twinkle lights around tree trunks or garden poles. Paint rocks to look like strawberries or ladybugs. Use a watering can with fairy lights as a light fountain. Build a pallet sofa with cushions for comfy seating. Use a shower caddy as a vertical garden on the wall. Add a mini chalkboard with the plant of the week. Use broken pots for layered fairy gardens. Plant wildflowers in a corner for a natural look. Add metal garden signs or recycled license plates. Use wooden planks to create a narrow bench along a wall. Place a picnic blanket and basket for a garden picnic spot. Use old picture frames to hang around flowers for fun photos. Build a fold-out garden table that stores flat. Install a garden spinner or weather vane for motion. Hang tiny glass vases with fresh flowers from a tree. Make a stepping stone path with names or messages. Grow scented plants like mint, thyme, or lemon verbena near seats. Use a step stool as a tiered mini garden. Place mirrors behind darker corners to reflect more sunlight. Add a sundial or mini sculpture as a centerpiece. Build a small pergola with climbing roses or vines. Use magnetic hooks on metal fences for hanging pots. Decorate with seashells, driftwood, or beach stones. Install a small trellis near your door for climbing flowers. Plant basil and mint near windows for fresh kitchen use. Create a cozy nook with a chair, side table, and outdoor lamp. Add a rolling garden cart for tools and mini pots. Make your own garden windmill or pinwheel from recycled plastic. Use hanging jars for citronella candles to keep bugs away. Create a mini bonsai corner for calm and focus. Attach mini chalkboard labels to pots for plant names. Make a mosaic tray for drinks or flower displays. Use decorative fencing to define your mini zone space, a basket full of seasonal produce or flowers as decor. Build a foldable potting table with a storage shelf. Make a birdseed wreath to attract birds in style. Build a tiny garden swing from wood and rope. Use an old tray to hold a mini succulent garden. Attach clothespins to a wire for hanging seed packets or notes. Turn an old table into a raised garden bed. Add scented candles for nighttime garden mood. Use bottle caps to decorate edges of pots or garden beds. Create a glow path using solar-powered pebbles. Hang watering cans or tools as garden wall art. Use a spice rack as a small plant shelf. Plant fast-growing greens like spinach or arugula in window boxes. Wrap old books, sealed in plastic, for a literary garden corner. Add hanging disco balls for sparkle in the sun. Use watering timers to save time and water. Make a small mud kitchen for kids with old pots and utensils. Add fox grass rugs for color and comfort on hard surfaces. Use small mirrors glued to fences to reflect light. Create a plant chandelier from an old light fixture. Make stepping stones with handprints or fun shapes. Build a small pond with natural stones and aquatic plants. Create a garden archway with flowering vines like wisteria. Hang a hammock chair for a cozy spot to relax. Repurpose an old door as a rustic garden wall feature. Add outdoor curtains or drapes for privacy and shade. Plant a mix of perennial flowers for low-maintenance color. Create a little fairy garden with miniature furniture and plants. Use large decorative rocks as focal points or garden sculptures. Add hanging glass terrariums with air plants for a modern touch. Set up a small outdoor kitchen or BBQ area for entertaining. Use old wine bottles as a decorative garden fence. Build a wooden garden box for vegetables and herbs. Hang a butterfly or bee house to attract pollinators. Create a little meditation corner with cushions and candles. Use hanging tea light lanterns for a magical evening glow. Make a DIY outdoor rug using recycled fabric or old linens. Grow flowers with different bloom times to ensure year-round color. Install a rainwater barrel for eco-friendly watering. Use repurposed tree stumps as small tables or plant stands. Grow moss or ferns in shaded, cool corners for a natural look. Create a small mosaic table with broken tiles or stones. Add a rustic wooden bench near a flower bed for peaceful seating. Place decorative lanterns on the ground or hanging for outdoor illumination. Create a garden path using colorful bricks or pebbles. Use large ceramic pots for statement plants like tall grasses or palms. Hang a fabric teepee or canopy for a sheltered outdoor space. Set up a small herb garden near your kitchen or patio. Use fairy lights to outline garden borders or trees for a magical feel. Place a decorative rock garden in a sunny corner for easy care. Create a cozy corner with a plush outdoor rug and throw pillows. Hang a small bird booth near a seating area for relaxation and nature watching. Add a small wooden shed for extra storage and style. Repurpose a bicycle as a flower display with baskets in the front. Hang a wall-mounted plant holder for compact gardening. Use a hanging chair or swing for a cozy nook. Install a garden shed or storage box to keep tools hidden and neat. Create a seasonal garden with flowers that bloom throughout the year. Plant climbing beans or peas on a trellis to save space and add greenery. Install a drip irrigation system to save water and time. Decorate with colorful ceramic pots and plant them with seasonal flowers. Add a stone or gravel seating area with a fire pit for cooler nights. Use a wooden screen or bamboo for a natural privacy fence. Turn an old chair into a planter by removing the seat and filling it with flowers. Create a flower border using inexpensive, colorful annuals. Set up a tiny outdoor library with bookshelves and comfy seating. Use ceramic tiles to make custom plant labels for your garden. Turn old teacups into hanging planters for a vintage touch. Make a small rock garden with a mix of stones, succulents, and moss. Use an old frame to create a vertical succulent wall. Build a small wooden footbridge over a decorative stream or pond. Create a garden oasis by surrounding your space with tall plants or bamboo. Use vintage cans or tins as planters for a retro look. Add a small outdoor fountain with a stone base for soothing sounds. Use a wooden pallet to make a vertical herb garden. Install a vertical garden system using gutters or PVC pipes. Turn a broken fence into a vertical garden with pockets for plants. Build a tiny stone fire pit for cozy evenings in the garden. Add a series of hanging lanterns or candle holders for evening ambience. Use large concrete blocks or bricks to create a raised garden bed. Repurpose old wooden doors into garden gates or walls. Add a cozy outdoor bench with throw pillows for a relaxing spot. Install an outdoor curtain or privacy screen for secluded spaces. Use a tree stump as a natural side table for your garden seating. Add a small, portable garden cart to hold plants or gardening tools. Repurpose old wine bottles as candle holders or small planters. Turn an old wooden ladder into a creative plant display. Use a metal watering can as a quirky outdoor decoration or plant holder. Install string lights or fairy lights along the fence or trees for evening glow. Use a large galvanized tub as a rustic water feature or planter. Plant climbing ivy or morning glories on a garden arch for a beautiful entrance. Create a garden pathway with stepping stones and surrounding wildflowers. Set up a hammock between trees or posts for a relaxing retreat. Place a bird feeder or bird booth in a quiet corner for bird watching. Transform an old wheelbarrow into a charming flower bed. Use colorful crates or boxes for a stacked plant display. Hang mason jars with fairy lights or flowers on tree branches for added sparkle. Use a wooden pallet to make a simple bench or table. Create a hanging herb garden with small pots,